Significance of offering water to the sun. Lord Surya has a great significance in Sanatan Dharma. He is considered one of the most significant gods with exceptional capabilities and divine powers. Also, he is the principal source of light on earth and is a supporter of life. Apart from Sanatan Dharma, Lord Surya is also preached around the world for his gifts to the humankind. There are many advantages of offering water to Lord Surya and various other aspects of worshipping him, with the benefits being scientifically proven. Offering water to the sun during the early morning promotes the absorption of vitamin D in our body that keeps us healthy. When we offer water to the sun with a copper vessel, the lights pass through the water and splits into 7 rays of sun, also known as 7 horses of Surya Bhagavan, and are absorbed by our body and balances the 7 colors in our body. We get advised by our ancestors to take bath before worshipping Lord Surya. Bathing helps your body to get rid of all the impurities and negative energies acquired during the night. Scientifically, taking a bath in the morning promotes body health and reduces the chances of getting ill.